Hello everyone, my name is Pajar and this is my partner Chietra. Di sini kita akan menjelaskan prosedur teks dan contohnya dalam bahasa Inggris. Procedure text is the type of an activity or activities to complete a job. This procedure text is needed as a guide for someone in making or completing something. Will this time my friend will give an example of how to ask the Duolingo application. Check it out.
Okay, first, inside the Duolingo application in the Play Store. After that, open Duolingo application, fill in personal data, select the language you want to learn, then answer all Duolingo's questions by clicking on your answer. After answering all these questions, this page will appear. Click Start, and you can immediately learn English in a fun way. You can learn English step by step, tons of fun feature in Duolingo. Take tests every day so that you are good at foreign language.